Mm. Hello everyone. So we are like getting started with our today's session. So before I get started with our today's session, so I would like to like tell you about the foundation first. So Script is like a open source foundation, or you can say a non-profit organization that leaves to make education interactive. So we have like various chapters across India, in some international chapters in US, in Canada and Australia. But our main vision is to make you educate in a very interactive way. So firstly, Script was like formed 2 years back, and it was like have a very small team of 5 to 6 members, but now we have a team of 50 to 100 members, in which we have various members across India, across world. We have various types with some various speakers, various companies, so that we can educate you all in a very interactive and very different way. So this is about the foundation. So you can check about the foundation by visiting the website. I will give you the website at the end of the session. Okay. So this is the new session that a new topic that we are like taking for you all, in which you will be like learning something new. And I am active on here as well, in front of you, and on YouTube as well. I will be seeing you all, and I would like let's make this session very interactive, so that it will be easier for me and easier for you to learn something new and innovative. Okay, so I will be asking some questions. You just write some your answers in the YouTube chat, and I will be seeing those chats in front of me, and we will have a discussion in this session. So, our today's session is how to choose correct career path. First of all, I would like up my first question. So, what do you mean career? What is actually career? Like there's like 5 minutes delay in YouTube, so I can wait for 5 minutes. It will be like displayed in front of you. So the main question is, what is career for you? Why everyone wants to choose a career? What is actual career? Just type your good answer in the YouTube chat. I'm waiting for you all. Okay. So let me tell you like what is actually career. So everyone wants to have a better education, better skills, better interest. They want their dream jobs in various companies, whether they're like in technology, whether they are in management. But I think before you are like stepping into career, you should know what is actually career means to you and why you want to go to that particular company, why they choose you, what is something special in you, and why makes you unique than others. These are like some questions that like everyone knows. Like in various jobs, we are taking care, or if we are just like recruiting members. These are like some questions that we have to see. What is actually career? So in this, I will be telling you that how to choose the correct career path. So first, if we are like choosing the correct career path, always remember one thing: just follow your interest and passion. And nowadays, what is happening, like if someone is like graduating or like passing the school or high school, and he is like going into university, so some students, they are just following their friends because they are studying over there. Some are studying because they will get a better job, they are doing for money. Some students are there like they want to learn of their passion, and they're like some students are also there like which are doing because of pressure from their parents. So there's like various scenarios through which students enters into university field, through which his career changes, through which field he will be going, in which job he will be applying, in each and everything. So if you are like in university student, if either you are in IT sector, management sector, art sector, law sector, in any of the sectors, just remember one thing: just have an interest in that particular field, so that it will be easier for you to have a great chance and you have a great career in this part. So, so everyone knows like we are having to start. To our first, like what path, how should we like start our career? So the first is that we have to improve the skills, and we have to see what interest suits to us. So how to like see the interest that we have. So always remember one thing, always remember one thing, like if you are choosing any of the interest, anything, just explore where you are, what you are seeing. If you are in programming field for the IT sector, just see. If you are like in first year, second year students, this is for you as well. So just explore what you want to learn, how you want to learn. Just see, like in most of the universities they start with C programming, C++, Java, Python. So this is how we have to start our career. So like if we are starting a career, just always remember that you have to explore in that field a very deep research, so that you will able to know how we can improve ourselves, how we can analyze ourselves, and how we can generate that interest in that particular career. Okay, so this is about the first thing, that in this image you are able to see that there is one goal and it has so many of interest. So this is for programming. I've told you like there are like various students, those who like take various programming languages, they can learn from various technologies. Those who are like in management field, what they can do, they can learn some online courses or some offline courses, so that they can learn of that particular part, whether they are like working in Google as a sales team, either they are working as a sales intern, anything. As they're like various CEOs who like have this interest in management field because of that company runs. So through this image, just always remember one thing, like you have to see which interest suits you. For that, you have to explore in that particular technology. You have to see where I am good at, and from there, your main career path begins. Okay. So our second point is explore. Like I told you, like if we have interest, we do everything that we want to do at each and everything. In the early age, she has interest, she is learning various things, but in career she has to pick only one field. But before interest, we have to explore. For explore, we can explore by searching on our Google, on YouTube, Twitter. Just follow the steps, and from that you have to explore the things. For exploring the things, just remember one thing, like if we are here in front of you, we were in your age, like exploring these technologies, these programming languages in more depth, so that we are able to take a correct decision in our career. So like they're like many students, those who want to learn something new and innovative in this particular field of technology of IT. So in this, like they like various programming languages they learn, like Python, Go, Ruby, Perl, Java, C++, C Sharp. The various languages are there. But before they get started, they always explore, where should I learn? How should I learn? How should I get started with this field and all? So for exploring the various things in life or in the career, just like for those who are in IT sector, you have to explore on Google. You can search various courses, various trends that are there in today's industry. From here, you can learn something new and innovative. So, in the current trends of industry, according to 2020 survey, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning on the top. After that, we have our Flutter development, introduction to blockchain, Bitcoin, cybersecurity. These are like some fields which are right now latest trends. How we can start that particular technology. So this is how you have to explore the things in a very good way. So I told about your interest, how to choose the interest. A person has his own interest. After that, he explores according to that interest. He explores where I should learn, from where we can have, we can like learn something, like from Coursera, from Udemy, from EDX, like various companies, Udacity. So from various companies, we can learn. So this is like some companies that you will be exploring on YouTube. You see on some tweets. You see on newspapers, on online media. This is how you have to explore your field according to interest, so that you can start learning. After starting learning, everyone knows what we have to do. After starting learning, you have to stay on that path. You have to learn in such a way that you are able to define where you are right now, so that accordingly you will be able to judge yourself, and on the basis of that you will be able to explore in that particular path in more depth. So here in front of you there is an image. It is really impossible. Most of the students in online courses, what they do, they just take the courses and they start learning. When they start learning, they get bored in sometimes. Why? They are not understanding the course videos that is like mentioned in that. So they think it is not possible. It is impossible with me. I am unable to do this. But I think every person can make impossible possible. If you have that interest, if you have that passion to learn something new, you have to passion to learn something new in whether it's online or offline, then everyone is able to go in that correct path. So like everyone like wants this impossible to be the possible way. For this, you should have the interest in which field you want to go. You want to explore the things. You want to make that impossible into possible by having a deep interest, exploring things, and so on. Like everyone knows, after we are like finishing the course, we get certification, we explore that in more depth, we go for advanced certifications and so on. So like this is how we want this impossible to be possible. So in this image, a girl is just cutting out impossible. I am just cutting. She's saying that it is possible and I will do it, and it will be a very great challenge for me to learn something from a particular industry. So after learning each and everything, everyone know like when our university, when we are like graduates, when we are like in such a field, everyone knows that we need a job. So everyone knows for getting a job, you need a great skill demand, and you should have a very deep knowledge. I should tell that before getting a job, search for internships, because internships is such a part which help you to generate that particular income, like not in form of income you can say, but in form of skills. Like for getting a job, just explore the internships in various companies, from where you have to start the session, from where you have to get that particular technology field, how you can get the experience in the industrial level and so on. So like we have to like get start with the internships and all. For that, you can search on various platforms that are there currently. One is Let's Intern, Indeed, Internshala, Google internships are also there, Adobe internships, Facebook internships, and there are like so many companies those are like providing internships currently as well. So just see what field you want to take and why you want to learn in the current field. For this, you have to see from where we are choosing that particular technology. For example, I'm a Python developer and I want to move in data analytics. So from there, I will search the internships in various fields. From there, I will see from where I will get the perfect internship, a perfect experience they will be requiring. From there, it will be the first step, a very great achievement for his or her in the career path. So after like those who have like done the internships and those who want to explore the jobs. So for exploring the jobs, there are like three main things that you have to take care. One is experience, one is interest, and third is you have to explore the main jobs. In your field, there are like various other jobs, and you have to be the best. Why you have to be the best? Because if you are like not only one that you are like applying for this job, you are in front of you there are like so many potential candidates which are here and which want that they should be best. For becoming the best, you should have a great talent in that particular field. You should have an in-depth knowledge, and when you are like interviewing in front of someone, then you should be very confident. Don't be overconfident, else it might cause trouble. So this is how we have to start. So I've told you first of all interest. After interest, we have to explore the thing. After exploring the things, we have to see jobs, internships. So everyone knows how to get a job, how to get internship. But for getting jobs and internship, we recommend to have a strong network. If you have a strong network with you, then it will be easier for you to get a reference, to learn something from great professionals, and from here you build your own community, your own network. In this image, you are able to see. In this image, you are able to see how these people are connected to each other. This is the network that you will be building. So how now the main question arise, like how can I make this network? How this network help me? For doing this, you can like make your own network by joining some communities, by exploring on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very good platform from where it will be good and very best for users to connect with great talents and great universities as well as professionals and professors as well. So, so like there are like various communities that I would like to recommend you to join with the like exploring the communities by learning something new with those professors and with those professionals. So like you can join Facebook developer circles. In each and every state, it has its own developer circle community. There are like various communities in Bangalore side, in North India side, in part of India we have like round about 20,000 to 30,000 communities. Or I think more than that, we have like communities from where like students are like learning in various fields. We have ODSC, GDGs, DSCs. We have our own communities as well, script as well as in those parts and as well. So to find a community, you just explore on meetup.com, explore on Google what are the various meetups are going on, join for online webinars, join for online sessions, and so on. So I have told you if you have interest, then you can explore the things. If you have explored the things, then you can get a better internship and job. For getting a better internship and job, you should have a better network. For building a better network, you should involve in various communities so that either in form of core team members, either in form of organizers, either in form of participants. Any form you just make a community, start a community so that it will be easier for you for getting your correct career path. It will help you to learn something new when you educate to others in a very interactive way. Okay, so this is about my session. So I would like to like if you have any queries you want me to like help you how to choose the correct career path, how you want to choose the correct courses you want to learn in the current industry, you can just type on the YouTube chat. Okay, so the first question is from Danish. So Danish, so networking is the like main part. So just elaborate your question. What you want to ask in networking, so that accordingly I will answer your question. Okay, so like he is asking like how we can like start the networking fields and each and everything. So Danish, just make sure like you should have like joined in with these communities from where you can start learning something new, and you should be active on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a very great platform from where you can learn and you can connect with great professionals, and from where that professionals can help you a lot. So this is how you can like build your own network. If you have your own network, then it will help you a lot for getting the correct career path. So is there like any other question? So if you have, you just type your questions on the in the YouTube chat. Okay. So there, I think so only these questions only. So before I end with the today's session, I am declaring two products that Script Foundation is making for you all. So on 1st Jan 2021, Script Foundation will be releasing its first product, Divenza, a platform only for hackathons in which you can organize various hackathons with the support and with our sponsors, with the partners which are like here with the helping here us to make this platform. So our second product is a surprise product for you all through which you can learn the quality education at a very cheapest price. So these are like two products that will be launching in 2021 and 2022. So our next session after this is by Sandeep Jain. He is the founder of Geeks for Geeks, and he will be telling you how to get your dream software engineering job. And on that day, I will be telling you the two surprises that we are declaring on 3rd May.